Imagine owning a gorgeous body wave wig that's also a 360 wig. So you can wear her in updos and multiple styles. Plus, she's pre everything, so it's really no effort into pulling her out of the box, throwing her on. No need to bleach the knots, pluck the hairline, nothing. I found this wig with Ashimary hair. This is a 24-inch 360 body wave wig. It already comes with the curls in it. Everything's done for you, and even has the Invisi-Strap so you can pull it tight in the back so it lays flush and it looks like a natural 360 install. This one also has an adjustable band on the inside so you can wear her glueless. It also comes with the tape already installed on the side. I already wore her once to record some more content, but so you can replace the stickers on the side as well. They do send extra, but if you can see this hairline, guys, oh my gosh. And this lace is phenomenal. The curls are gorgeous. The hair is fluffy and it's soft. You can curl it, you can add extra curls, you can recurl it, you can cut into her if you want to, but it already has layers in the front. So because I wore this already in some other content, the stickiness started to wear off, but that's all right. That is okay. There's other ways to lay this lace. I'm going to use this lace melting spray by the Frontal Queen. I use it a lot, as you can see from the container, but of course you can use whatever you have on hand. I just take a little bit, spray it in the cap, take a small brush and dab it on the lace. Once it's dabbed on the lace, I make sure to go all around the lace. So from the crown, from my forehead, all the way down the side, on each side. And then I'm just going to take a small fan to let it dry quicker and just press that lace into my skin. And I swear to you guys, with this spray, it is going to last all day like this, and so you take it off at night. So I absolutely love this spray. It is wonderful. After it melts, you can go ahead and style the hair. As I said, this hair is so beautiful. It's soft, it's fluffy, and it takes heat very well. I also find that it's true to length. This is how it looks all the way down, and this is how it looks from the side. I will say that I don't know, this is some of the best hair that I've tried in a while. I love how it moves. It's super flowy. There's nothing I can say bad about that. Now, because this is a 360 wig, you know I have to show you wearing it up. So we're going to put it in a bun first and then secure the back. If you like this video and you want to see more, go ahead and hit that follow button. Also, like this video and comment down below and tell me what style you want to try with your 360 wig. So first you want to do is install the comb in the back first. Make sure that's secure. Then you're going to take each Invisi-Strap on the side, pull it. Don't pull it too hard because you don't want to pop it, but pull it and secure it. Push the little buttons up and then tuck the strap. And you want to do that on both sides, guys. Then I'm going to take the bun out and I'm going to do an updo ponytail. So yeah, this is easy. After you secure the lace in the front and in the back, all you have to do is put the ponytail in and voila. There's so many different styles you can do with it. I'm going to show you two in this video. You can also do a half up, half down. You can braid the hair because this is a true frontal, guys. She is a 13/6 frontal and it's a true frontal. So once the hair is laid in the back, what I do is kind of pull some of the hair slightly out of the bun, not too much because I don't want it to look too baggy in the back, but I want it to kind of fall over the lace just a little bit so it's less detectable when I turn around. So right here, I'm just defining the curls and making that look more presentable, but and this is where in the video where I'm kind of pulling the hair out of the ponytail, but not really. I'm just pulling it down a bit to hide any of the lace from potentially showing so that it looks like a true 360 wig. But I absolutely love this result of it. And you will see when I turn around in the back how it looks. Ashimary is one of the top wig companies that I would honestly suggest for anybody, especially for beginners, because I mean, you don't really have to do anything with the hair, to be honest. But this is how it looks going all around. And of course, the link to this wig will be in the description box along with any other information for Ashimary Hair. If you want to check out any of their other units that they have on the site, you can do that as well as follow them on social media. But yeah, so another style that I will be doing is a top bun. Absolutely love these 360 wigs. They're perfect for the summer as well, because if you don't like to have the hair on your back, or if you're out and you notice it getting hot, you can always put the hair up without looking crazy or conspicuous. Nobody's going to look at the back of your wig and be like, oh my God, because it looks like a true 360, like it's growing from your scalp, guys. You really got to check this one out. And then follow me on other social media as well. I'm Tanya M _ on Instagram and TikTok, so you can follow me there. Tell me how you like this video. Tell me how you like this wig. And don't forget to buy it for yourself for the summer, guys, coming up. Thank you for watching. Bye.